Welcome to Quiz Game Time. Guess the word by emoji challenge. In this video, you'll solve 50 emojis puzzles. Each one gets a little trickier. Look carefully, think smart, and don't forget to keep a track of your score. Let's play. Think quickly. The correct answer is summer. Last few seconds. Rainy coffee. Look closely at the emojis. And the answer is bedtime. Don't rush, think smart. Heartbreak. Here is the answer. Idea. Think before you answer. The right word is late. Can you solve this one? Education. Hope you got this right. Smart investment. Make your guess. The correct answer is homework. What do you think it is? Your time is up. Review. What do you think it is? Love the world. Drop your answers in your mind. Cold anger. Last few seconds. Slow finish. Don't overthink. Victory. Think quickly. Analyze. Time is running. Keep quiet. Your time is up. Time passing. Observe the emojis properly. Be careful. Can you figure it out? And the answer is growth. Make your guess. Here is the answer. Very cold. Look closely at the emojis. Silent mode. Use your brain power. Blast off. Don't rush. Think smart. Daydream. Watch carefully. Locked mind. Drop your answers in your mind. Here is the answer. Mind confusion. Music. The correct answer is junk food. This one's tricky, right? Bird brain. Try to connect the clues. And the answer is photographer. Travel. Watch carefully. Your time is up. Hope. Look closely at the emoji. Genius. Time is running. Oversleep. The right word is office work. Think quickly. Solution. Don't overthink. Late night person. Countdown begins. Daily routine. Drop your answers in your mind. Cool night. Are you sure about your answer? Deep focus. What do you think of it? Danger. Knowledge. Use your brain power. Dream. What's your guess? Hurry. Can you figure it out? Thinking. Try to connect the clues. Inner strength. Think before you answer. Calm. Celebration. Problem solving. Environment. What do you think it is? Full power. How many did you get correct? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed this challenge, give this video a like and subscribe for more fun emoji quizzes. See you in the next challenge.